Great.
Yes.
It's Monday today, beautiful people. Asikhulumi podcast sePlack Queen kuvuliwe namuhla. But I know on Mondays akuvulwa isikhathi esithi la Black Queen. Bese kukhuluma zabantu ama-staff and everything. Bese kucleana nako konke lokho. But sikhona khona mhla shuthela khona. Mhlawumbe bangicela isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ngibe promoter. Nami ngibacela ukuthi ngicela something towards bona. I'm tired. Ngifuna ngicela something that's the reason amalanga ngishuthile ekhaya. Yeah, I mean mangicela on Friday mangishutha episode ya Friday kanti lana uyangibida le manager. So ngicela phambili kancane ngifuna sibange emsini because base meeting. Ngiyakwazi nje umsindo.
Ngimsindo mina.
Ngimsindo. Angikwazi ngalinye indlela mara kwathi ngimsindo. So mama ngibide bathi kimi bacela so banjinje i-management. Yeah, I don't know about the staff but management in banjinje. So the management yakhona lelo mina yokuqala bengisebenza naye besikhuluma all the time like mhlambe ngiyindela ama favors lamanye la khona. So this one kala sibona singena la shoot every week yangibida my brother why kanti wena want to promote kanti upromote lona ya
ufuna ukuthi umpromote le
no ufuna promote
mara nabo mabafuna ukuthi ubapromote
yeah
nabo kuse baningile okuncane
kind of it's just kusi singafika ngamhlambe to that lama viewers sethu singafika yabo yeah so now we doing it for free siya volunteer nje yabo because basibolekile nabo itabo letafula labo ne wifi yabo inzawo yabo lehle yabo so shootela khona so sibonga lokho singacomplain kakhulu because uvolunteer nabo kubalulekile guys ngalo sesilona sisina 4 months angiyena
hey
so many months
it's a month
3
weeks
why okay why you lying to me
first when
uyacela uzi ngifuna shootela ngi-podcast ngifuna sibe na 10 ma questions esibutane ona and then yeah ngelanga leso hawu ilanga liyafika ngiyendlula leli
that day sayemathuneni
ngamaviki ngidlula like yes ngoba vele ngana muntu mhlambe lo ngibackup emaphoyisa masinovulela qala ngithatha serious so ngiva kuhlungu
akuthatha serious
ngithatha serious wathi yathi ngibafade nepower towards ithe so kungiloko ngala ukuthi you want to be part and parcel of the podcast ufuna uhost kanye nami labo bonke lesimangihostana mara umuntu
ngithe sorry shame
amubra sorry khona wengane ngithe sorry shame abona ngifisa kubone yakho yathi yahlupheka
akahlupheki and shame
ne njani by the way
ngishaya wena
mina ngicomplain ngishaya la ngithi ngishaya ngala khona kubalance kahle nedesinye isikhathi ngishaya ngala bese ngala ushayi kakhulu yabo bese isa balance kusina kahle kumele ngisho nje ukuthi sishaye ngala ibalance nakahle kubantu labangakwadi ungathi introducer siyathi part 2 labanye mhlawumbe part 1 basingambukela mhlawumbe uthi ba interested part 2 yabo.
Okay, hey guys, Gamalami Mandisa Wangumane, well known as the Sweaty Girl on TikTok. Yeah.
Oh, you do make TikTok and your social media?
Like in the thing. But I like TikTok. I don't have Facebook. I don't have Instagram.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, and then I'm going to say like my video. I'm like a pretender. I'm singing go Facebook until my friend discovered how Sungani on Facebook. I was like, what? Just like we have not getting money and sharing.
Yeah, not nearly money. Alabama bank so I don't know, but sing actually. Sometimes you can copy something to someone
similar to that.
Yeah, but sometimes you couldn't English and you couldn't so
Maraguro utasomesa ma video at least akangafile imali akamela ku Facebook
mhlambe oluhlulekile uyipromote ngakhona so why not wena bonga ukuthi bapromote
nabangangipromote ngingatholi kancane because
nami ngiyapromote phela ngithole ne so why ungabi ne Facebook why ungabi ne Instagram Twitter nayo mara
I don't have Twitter. I once had a Twitter, but then
bakubheshe lapha wathi for
abazange bangibhesha.
what happened?
I don't know, I think Twitter is too formal.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it is too formal.
I did not know that.
It's too formal, Twitter.
Now you need to be formal also better to tweet.
Ngeke mina ngifika njani ku-Twitter because
Awufuni ukuba formal?
ngiyahlanyela mina.
Hlanye phela nalapha.
Ku-Twitter abafuni abantu abahlanyayo.
Akabafuni mahlanye? Yebo le Wi-Fi yakhe lekhwinya siyisendela wish.
Indeed.
Iyaphuma.
Why?
I don't know. So let's start. 10 questions.
Yes.
Young ladies first.
Hey. Ngive mabaribari.
Ubebani?
Mabaribari.
Ngibona lo.
People
Bathini?
people are saying
Yeah.
you are now a sangoma. Is it true?
Oh. What is a sangoma? I think we need to check lapho kulo ukuthi what is a sangoma lapho. I think mhlambe sikhona ku understand balance sakhe.
Mara uyilo wayakuthwasa.
That's the reason is to understand what is a sangoma and what is kuthwasa. Yabona ngcono masikhuluma ngento lesi refer somewhere. What is a
Problem
sangoma?
mina angathi ukuthi
Check,
because
phela
akulandeleki.
Yeah, ngikhospotile lapho check lapho what is a sangoma. Leli ngosi yakho. Ngikho ngosi yakho. What is a sangoma? Yabona mhlambe lapho sizoba ne direction le kahle. Yeah, search ukuthi what is a sangoma? Okay, I think we'll pendule by the way. I'm not a sangoma, ngathwasana. Kuthwasa but by the way, I think it's kufunza. Yabo. Yabona isixotsitali bathi ngiyamthwasisa lo muntu. Yeah. Kuthwasa like kufunza, bakufundisa something, yabo. So ngiyile kufunda some of the things but angaphuzanga iphalaza. I'm not a sangoma. Sangoma isikhathi esiningi bathi ngumuntu lo iphalaza lokuthi yabo mina I'm not that person.
But it's a traditional healer or a diviner who employs music, dance, and the throwing of balls to discover evil and diagnose diseases.
Oh. Yeah, so mine anga bathi nje
Awushayi mathambo wena.
No, angishayi mathambo.
Okay.
No, angishayi mathambo. Uhleka.
Angeke sikwadi phela bengifuna ukuthi ungishayele bekubona ifeature yami.
Oh, lo feature ya TikTok. Feature ya TikTok.
Ifeature yami ayikho ku TikTok guys. Shame.
Inge feature.
I don't know. Mara I know ukuthi somewhere somehow I'll make it.
You'll make it.
Just yes.
So, it's your first time to know what is a sangoma.
Yes.
But when what would nje sangoma?
Ngiyathi ukuthi like bathi kunemuntu bathi isangoma mara ukuthi lo muntu lo practice in or whatever. Yeah.
No, no meaning ngindelo kwesimo semagedla. Yabo, ngindelo kwathandaza phakamisa sithunga yabo lento le. Yeah. Bakhona bona la bebungoma yabo. But abakaphakamanga kakhulu dlula labanye. Yes. So that's the reason in
So when you believe in both God and traditional,
I believe there's God, you understand? I don't ngitshelwa umuntu yena. Ngibelieve lo wakami nami, you understand? Usebenza nami. But ngibe nema question naye futhi at the same time, you understand? That's the reason ngakhona ngiya komushipha esontweni, you understand?
Oh, isontweni vele kuyo.
No, esontweni bengiya ngikhule ngiye esontweni but bengisima bakufunza le verse nginga understand. Mina esontweni ngithanda mabaqula, you understand? Yeah. But
you worship.
Yeah, mabaqula yabona ngiphakama khona nami ngive. Mabafunza le verse ngala. So bengilomuntu njalo even nanyalo mangiye esontweni but lesinye isikhathi nginokuya thothi ngihambile ngifunze ngikhule ngisonta errong. Ngahamba ngimanisela iTimbek bengiya ekhohleni lesonto labo lesisuthi man ngikhohle igama la ngaya eZTC ngaya bengiya gcine bengiphelele eziwu, understand? But esikhathini esiningi bengiphikisana nezinto letendekalayo esikhathini esiningi lapha yabo. So that's the reason ngagcina ngathi ayi umuntu ungcono ekuhlalele endlini atibenzele, understand? So yangisebenela kwanyalo but inkinga lokuthi naye lo God bambalako lo nkulunkulu umkhulu noma-question amaningi ngaye, you understand?
Oh.
Yeah, so angikhoni vele, yeah, ngilowo nje.
Okay.
Oh, I'm the one now asking your question.
Yes.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi into kuhlanye. Ongihlanye. You say you want to be part and parcel of the podcast.
Yes.
Ufuna kuba yini le podcast? What value you want to add? Lelibona ngathi yaleka wena your side and you want to say you want to put like the podcast.
I mean kuma podcast ngani uyabona na ukuthi kunebantu labaningi 2 more people.
Not all of
So-
the podcasts is kunjalo. Yeah, because umuntu echutela i-one, ashuthe nemuntu leka-invitile.
Mara sometimes kuyabhora kufuna maybe umuntu uyabona njengawona ithulele manje sekufuneka
Mina ngiyaphapha mina.
Eh.
It depends on the vibe, yabo.
Lo uyitholako, ne?
Yeah, it depends on the vibe engitholako.
Mara mina shem I've got the face guys.
Oh, you gotta
Yes.
you must let's use your face.
Yes.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
use my face.
Oh, okay. Also, when
For this
I
podcast.
so you wanna add your face?
Yes.
No, no. Shout out to them. No.
Yes.
I don't mind, but I think when you're not consistent, I
Why?
think we need to think. And then I you're gonna sponsor because when you need to travel, maybe sometimes you should tell her every week. You understand? What is
Yeah.
the Queen is providing? Sometimes tell her every week is providing a man. So push it every Thursday. The ladies' night.
ladies'
Yeah,
night.
when I'm talking about fresh cocktail about
Yeah.
as a lady on Thursday you must shoot alana. Nasi must look at nazo khuluma nawo. You
Okay.
understand? Yes. Zama push le nto leyo. They support, I don't mind.
Yeah.
Khona mina ngihlale ngikhona isikhathi esiningi. I don't have isikhathi esiningi ngihlale ngibukele YouTube mina ngama YouTuber vele.
Oh, you're a YouTuber, eh?
Yeah, no, mina into eziningi ngibuka YouTube. I'm
Mara so far una like ma
subscribers.
yeah.
Na 600 and
Oh, was he
something.
going somewhere?
It's been long, it's been
You
4
are.
years, yeah.
Oh yes.
Yes.
How are you getting there?
Yeah.
600?
Yeah, that's a
Ah,
lot.
shame, that's a
yeah,
lot.
that's a lot, yeah.
Because abantu abaningi ma YouTuber lamaningi ahlala khala ukuthi like abana subscriber lamaningi
Yeah, people are crying, but into ngifuna ukutshela yona i-consistent, ne? Even if uyibona ngathi ayendi leyo ifike khona, but yonke into moyenda from the
Icala
bottom of your heart,
phasi.
you understand? Yeah, so that's the reason mina ngiyazama vele by all means. Khona lana kuhleli almost 6 months ngendi lutho and bekungilimata emoyeni, but bengibhizi ngale into lokubala dona libathi mina ngisangoma. Understand? Because masithatha lento leni nokuthatha isikhathi sakho sonke songakhoni kwena lenye into. Yeah, so bengibhizi ngale into leto kakhulu. Yeah. Yes. Number 2.
Number 2. ngifuna ukubuza.
Now you can be loud, but it's limiting.
Okay. Ngifuna ukubuza ne.
Yeah.
How was your 2016?
2016 one.
Yeah, kanjani? Because I remember I had a friend who's a doctor.
You have a friend who's a doctor.
Yeah.
When?
Wena.
I was having a friend who's a doctor.
Yeah.
And then?
Ngihlala number lokuKTs. I'm still friends.
The Rotman there.
Yeah.
But date and I went. It's 2016 now.
Yeah. So the band.
I don't even remember the dates. Yeah.
I do remember.
Akusimngani wami. Umuntu lojwayele ibandi bengijwayelene nabo. You get what I'm saying? Yes. Umuntu ojwayelene ibandi engijwayelene nabo. So, i-Rotman kimi, you understand? Yeah, it's a Rotman. Mina ngiphumile ukuthi into eziningi.
Yeah, ngiyabona shem ukuthi like uphumile, that's why ngithi
Lebuhloma le babala yona le inkiphile ukuthi into eziningi. Ngikhipile ebantwini, ngikhipile emgruveni. You understand? Ngikhipile kumantombatane, ngikhipile ukuthi into eziningi isikhathi esiyi-1 and mayikhipha ubonakala ngathi singathi uyagula nyana. Lomunye lone gift thizeni kumbe lone calling thizeni iyabida ukuthi ikubide ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma live lengosi, you understand? Ikhipha vele into eziningi mara icala ikufake edzaweni etiningi letinye ukuthi ubetshacharaho ube, you understand? Lokho nalokho sebese seyakhipha ebantwini. So nami angisabi nalabantu laba, angisahambi nalabo ngomdate umatela
we had a thing.
but thing
We had a thing. That's a thing.
Hayi man, ayiwesibe ya ngathi ngiyakhumbula kancane. Yabona ngikhohliwe.
Khohliwe. Siyabonga ukuthi ukhohliwe.
And ngabe ngiyakhumbula ngabe first day mangizayi manje sesizobona like yo no shut up no you understand. My question benginawo my question ami alahleke onke because ubaleke kakhulu wena you understand. Yeah, ubaleke kakhulu. If you were given a chance to advise youth yanamuhla la Kanyamazana bongathini we youth yanamuhla?
They must just live their life.
Live their life to the fullest.
To the fullest.
Advise when
Advise vele qobo shamp because sonke sizofa at the end of the day. Yabo umuntu akaphile the way nafuna ngakhona.
Bathi yabona lokuthi uphile the way ufuna ngakhona limited impilo yabe sekulimit because sibita ngemagama kusasa understand kakhulu ubafati umuntu ombatana sibita ngemagama this blah 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 blah
just mina like ngifuna ukuthi nje sinenzaba ukuthi like sibita ngemagama.
Yeah, there are people that do care.
I don't
if unenhliziyo you need to worry about ish mana nombani you understand, but if unenhliziyo vele you'll be like you vele just when usana inhliziyo
mina nginayo vele because like noma umuntu angathi wena inini like
ne I know ngiyakuva
inkinga mina lento ngiyadlulisa like noma ungafika ngimthona wena inini like okay
no maybe mina ngibona namaningi agudi kuloko ne mina ish mhlawumbe iyacala bengikhona ukudlulisa just like that but nyala ngisasinjalo ngisakhulu you understand like diningi ngifuna ngipushing ngato ngihlale phansi ngitibude you understand ukuthi why athi sona nani and kutongivisa kuhlungu you understand le into khona yeah then angisazi nomuntu ukuthi I don't give a f yabo yeah I'm that person yalo who give a f yeah I'm that person yeah I'm that person yeah
okay wena yiphi advice nongabaniketa yona?
So ichikisa le question
yebo nginiketa wena ukuthi wena yiphi advice nongabaniketa yona?
Linganiketa youth yanamuhla love yourself first you understand. Yeah titsanze kakhulu wena than nomunye umuntu you understand. Yeah uhloniphe kakhulu than nomunye umuntu before uqala ukuthanza nomunye umuntu qala uthanze wena uhloniphe wena you understand. Nalabantu lokukhula nabo lapha the circle yakho from ekhaya everything you understand because if uthanza wena utokhona ku easy ukuthanza nomunye umuntu you understand but umuntu masekaenda manga yakhona umuntu uyenda manga but ahlingimbekelele because mina self ngiyithanda because many of us my youth le futhi because nami ngiya kuyo lento le ukuthi bengithanda but benginika lo munye umuntu lithanda ukudlula mina manginika lithanda lo you understand. That's the reason umuntu makangihethile bengigula you understand. So nyalo nginika mina yeah and bengigula selugula kwami bese ngimatala abanye abantu imdleko because ngifuna ukudithana lo munye umuntu kumbe ngifuna friendship nanani you understand. So bese ngiyamhetha lo muntu lo ngiyamuse by the way so
and which is wrong.
Yeah it is about it so that's the reason the advice ngapha yona abantu
question
tama prepare nami khambisa
ukuthi sikhulume okay what's your take nge teenage pregnancy?
Ayishiya bona teenage pregnancy because ile befuna bengibuta wena but it's fine. Inkinga lekhulu ema teenage pregnancy ile mali le environment esikhulela kuyo. Our government fails us a lot. It's failing the government yethu. Our leaders wethu asifeyilile. Our parents wethu asifeyilile. Umphakathi usifeyilile. Mina mangikhula bengikhula ngidlala ibhola even bengasigudi you understand. Ngidlala ibhola ngicathulo ngidlala nemajita nanani labanye badlala ngenyawo nabo. But bengasigudi ipark isikole ipark isengawanga ndlela ipark isihamba e1 sihamba separk you understand. Lokudlala endlini isingabweni njenganyaka you understand. Iningi into leti ma programs sekude we don't have any programs akhona la kaNyamazane kumele la kaNyamazane because sikhulela khona ma programs akhona uthi ngiboleke ikamera lakho ekhaya ngiyafasa ma programs esinawo ngilawo you understand sidlala embedeni and madlala embedeni vele it's highly impossible ukuthi so ngena si2 siphume sesi3 isikhathini esiningi you understand and nyala kusathusa umntwana besathusa umntwana mina ngimntwana community if ngena lokho wrong ngifuna bangitrack so nyalo umntwana
awusamshaya nyalo inkinga abanemalungelo kakhulu
so i-government yethu mina ngiblame i-government yethu blame ama-parents wethu ama-leaders wethu ngiyablame kakhulu blame nayo i-community as a whole you understand so kungilokho nje that's the reason i-teenage pregnancy ilula and naseclinic bakuvumela ukuthi utele nyalo ngesikhathi senyalo noma umntala wakho angekho uthi okay you are in abortion clean uthatha ama-prep uthatha ama-condom uthatha ama-ARVs you preventer we-clean like lento seyikhona naku-social media khona those days ngesikhathi abantu bakutshela ukuthi even e-TV angeke udlala itori tokuhlala ngiyalubuka sikhala ngestory chat singisengasibukela ngena ngifisa ukusibukela siyangiphisa off mama abasicoca because ngibona ngathi into le bayipromote abantu abamnyama ukuthi promote yonke lento so umlo ngiyayiguqula le question ngiletha kuwe futhi nami because as a woman
okay thine mina like i-points lami and angifuni abantu bangikwatela
uthe don't give a f
yebo anginandzaba noma bangikwatela mara ngifuna ukuthi base babuye bangithuka kumbe ini like i-teenage pregnancy leader yakuthi thina ngithi la Mpumalanga lesi-leader the whole of South Africa
angihlale vele
siya-leader la eMpumalanga and which is something bad and kakhulu ne because ngihlalile ebush for isikhathi esincane yeah so ebush banolokuthi uyakuthi bathi kunetingoma engomeni I think ingiloko because bahambisa abantwana labancane maybe 14 15 13 even babayise etingomeni nako lokho ngani etingomeni babafundisa ini
I can't say more about ingoma because angikwati abafundi
mina ngiyakwati ngisho ngiyatshela
basibinifihla ongitshela
angazi ngayo ingomeni but then nabo bangani bayakhuluma vele ukuthi like ingomeni basifika khona vele basifundisa so
but musabantu abaningi ababuya engomeni aba-act the way bakhuluma ngosibafundisa bona
and ngibona basheshe
bayindivayisa esikhathini esiningi I don't know so that's the reason ngithi mina lento le bayikhulumako nento le bayi-acta bayihambisana you understand
bathi bona ngathi sebafati besemadoda
so yabona ukuthi that's why
mina
ngifisa that person lo rana the program yasengomeni abuye yena ahlale phansi sikhulume sive yena athi kwendekalani because siva kubantu basibashonile engomeni siva nje itori eziningi engomeni you understand even ngathi lo mnyaka lo khona itori ezivumbuke kusengomeni kunebantu abashonile yeah so enza besengomeni ayi ingalengihle so i-environment yethu yesikhawati mina ngihlale ngisho ukuthi bengifisile ukuthi ngathi ngihamba ngihlale emakhaya straight ngaseni mhlambe kubhushi nje ubala khona emakhaya straight la kulinywa khona la i-social media ngekho khona kakhulu ngaphathana popomba I don't mind that you understand but ngikuthi ngithe ihlobo takhona mina bengahamba ngihlala
mara impilo yasema-village imnanzi yathi kuneya lapha because akuna competition
yeah ine-competition yenye le-indirect yabo
akuna competition
umnanzi nelikhale ngaya e-KZN la cishe bozuma balona khona nelikhale umbona umuntu achambalele bengasenkandla le and it's a nice place to be at kumnanzi njengoba usho ukuthi akuna-competition kumnanzi yabo so thina sihlala lana sibomakhelwane ayish akungigcina mgica sifana namakhelwane wakho
khona kuyadifanela le abavali bakhona labangavali
lokho kunatural lokho ngasikubalekele kungavali vele kunatural ngiyazikubalekela yeah
yes
okay advise to your daughter ne when you got a daughter and there are many things mhlambe already uyaqala kudiva ngawe usatudiva ngawe uthi mama so yini ongakusho kuye kanti kakuvake ebantwini
kude indlela kayiva kodwa
and no for future because khona into lokuthi fanele mabakwathina fanele ukugula wathi kwenda sona
And the shame and thing nami akafuni njani nge-TikTok. Like I used to post it on TikTok, like bengizenza kumpost TikTok.
Yeah.
And then this other day wafika ngini akhala athena bamhleki isikhulule ukuthi bambone
TikTok.
bambone TikTok. Wakhala ngavele ngadecide ngathi manje ngimove kumbule mashona ukuthi mina TikTok.
Yes, it's one of the things. So that's the reason you need to give a advice for people ukuthi
so manje yeah, that's why ngidecide to slow down nyalo kancane
ne because namumelele ndilo ukuthi wesendela yona so manje lona usiyoenda something like this the other time manje
yeah guys so makancane nje TikTok yeah because ngiyabona ngathi am affected umntwana
so what advice ungumupha yona
akaphile njengami yathi
angayingeni
yeah angayingeni
papa still young uthi angayingeni eish yabona lento ukuthi ungayingeni esingesikhathi
like emhlabeni nathi awuphile libani yathi nkosana mina indlela engiyifundzile
no awuphile libani but uphilela ne-reputation yakho
ne-reputation
nobuto le question angiyiphendule ukuthi how old are you because naloko kufuna kuhambisana neminyaka phela lokho kuyakhombisa ukuthi neminyaka wakho nje kuyacount awuspy akafane nawe angaspy okay
because nawo kuphilela abantu nje uphilele umuntu
no uphile utiphilela wena but in a right way in a right track, you understand, in a right track.
Phela wena lokho nyala ukukhambisana nokuthi baby I'm born again.
Oh, that's me.
Yes.
I'm not born again, man.
You are born again.
How?
Because nganwile go shaya le. Ikhambisana naloko, that's why uthi wena inyalo whatever le maybe batokusho ku lento tokulimata yabo. Manje that's why ngithi mina
I think mhlambe mababala Kristo naye ngokwakhe is one of the things mhlambe lo ngikokotela ukuthi you understand. Yeah, is one of the things that ngikokotela cause ngale ebungomeni 95.5% abantu abaningi laba rana le sikolo sebungoma banenhlitiyo leti. Yeah, they're in business, you understand. Yeah, so nangala ebukholweni siba join le nto le, you understand. So mkambe mina ngifika lapho kule stage ukuthi lobuntu yabo. Yeah, that's the reason you can say mina I'm born again. I'm not like, that's why insana question amaningi about what's being born again, you understand that nto le, all of those things. So eish nebuntu kakhulu mina sebuyile benginabo even before but bengive ngiba nalo nto ukuthi F word yabona nto le but ngiyalo angisanako lo F word. That's the reason I always been alone ekhaya, ngathi ufuna ukuthi associate kakhulu nebantu. I-energy yabantu yakhona khona there's a negative energy khona la lo mmango futhi esikhula kulo esiphila kulo la elokushini lethu, so angisakhona ukuhlala nebantu, you understand. And le nto leyo bengiyenda kudzala iphindze ngibuye ebantwini bengithi manje usakhula edlala ibhora nemajile edlala emabula bengahlala even hour ngiyojiya ngibuyele ekhaya ngidlalela ngedwana. Yeah, one man bangithola ngidlala one man. You understand. So my mom khathi ngicala seniphuma senginathathwana nanani vele wabakhinga kakhulu ukuthi yena
ngokile.
So ngiyabembona but uphinze angabi sure kahle ukuthi ubuyecaba vele lo muntu, you understand, because you know us as people we change now and then. Yeah, le mimoya isivuka now and then, so kungiloko nje.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, draft pass. Do
you have any kids? If not, are you still planning to get one? Oh, unemundu. Yabuta pe.
No, I got a daughter and none of you.
How old?
Hey, don't ask me that question. You know, toba kuhlungu mhlambe ngena ngomabwakhe ngibuye uthi ngive ngimkhohle usingakade inyanga, because I'm not that present father.
Why? Let's start there, why?
Le nto ngile ngayiphendula many times but ngizophinde ngibeke futhi ku-date mina nama kwakhe bengibhizi naye bekabhizi. I was young, she was young. Besathe ifune, you understand? And but mina ngimzala kunaye vele. So mangidate naye wagcine kutholakala ukuthi nami bengidate vele ngifuna ukukhuluma mama. I was cheating. And I put it that way. Now she decided to cheat, you understand? And when she decided to cheat, kahle ngiqale la. Kaze ngiqala date naye less than 3 months she fall pregnant and sa aborta lo mntwana. So we dated.
Whether you knew ukuthi u-abortile?
Yeah, no, mina ngasho vele ukuthi kuna okay.
Okay.
So after 2 years if I'm not mistaken, the story is yona yabona ukuthi ngilelo lengibala yona teenage pregnancy ukuthi njani ukuthi idlala sona ngemsangano. Ngiso ukuthi lento lena sebenzise siyende without the protection sa aborta umntwana makusuka silo siyaqhubeka without the protection for 2 years if I'm not mistaken, so langa break. And bengisam concerned nami because labo bengisafuna umntwana. Uyive le mpilo le sahamba once other times saya e-clinic bathini manje kubantu balapha e-clinic advisor lapha. So
the family planning what
ngathi bekuli social work ngiyini, yeah, something family planning, yeah kathi kusaphila lapha ethi sarana lapha e-clinic. So we said no man, we dated nalo muntu lona 2 years back and she fell pregnant and we aborted the child, and manje sukusela so la akaze ngitshele ngama symptoms athi ukuthi ngathi utiva ngathi pregnant you understand? So wathi no phela ku preg akusinto le vele nje just like that yabo. Kunema lesinye isikhathi nesikhathi ukuthi angahla pregnant isikhathi leso ngathi nga pregnant awakhuluma kusuka wathi no ucela ukukhuluma nami one on one, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, masikhuluma one on one wathi kimi lo bhuti you know ukuthi angahamba udate nalomunye umuntu angampractice lomunye umuntu. Ngathi you understand? From that day bengihlale so ngime so, you understand? And so we are data because nami ngidate ngimsoli. He dated another guy and this guy wabeka practice ne girlfriend sakhe and I date naye and mina lapho ngidate nalomunye makusuka this guy naye so pregnant at the same time. Nalo pregnant umuntu walomjiki mina lo wakamba ngase pregnant ngidate naye inyanga. You understand? Makusuka kwa baletha banding badiwa lapha ekhaya bethu to be assist but mina naye vele besene ma problems, you understand? Mina ngize bengafuna ukusakhipha isiso ukuthi ma possibility angahla phinza ngasabi nemntwana for life. You understand? And ngathi mhlambe abe nama complications for life, you understand? So mina nami nga protect lento le ngazi ngokukhuluma ekhaya ukuthi no pregnant umuntu. Yangizisa lapho bengchildish and bengiphinza ngibiya ngibe ukuthi sengiprotector ukuthi angabi inkingeni for future ukuthi angizonde for life ukuthi angisathola abantwana ngikhiphisa abantwana nanye ngifuna ngikhiphisa abantwana ngiyabekisa lento beni lo wethu beka funa umkhipha. So baya kobika siso ekhaya mababika siso vele besane ma complication vele la too serious. Athi mina no angiphi and angivumi sibona ngemntwana and they were so disappointed in that. You understand? Makusuka avele umntwana siyokomntu umntwana usasemncane swane, you understand? And the people labethe bethuletha umntwana akusiko labethe bethuletha babika siso and angibadi lapho, you understand? The day kathi bekutobika siso basibike ekuseni ekuseni ngiyangingulubuso that guy lengithi mina umpractice he was there outside ekhaya ngaphandle kathi ubikwa lesiso.
How?
Utshele ngibani ukuthi bebika siso, you get what I'm saying? So masohlanganisa uhlanganisa kinto, so it tells you many things at once. So it's one of the things that angenda ukuthi ngingabi khona from day one lo mntwana and kungivisa kuhlungu lokho. And the two ingithola mentally I was not strong bengisengigowaya to many things, you understand? Spiritual I was not strong, physical like very like my life be somehow, you understand? So it's one of the things that ngiyenzanga singibe khona for umntwana for life, you know, for all these years. That's the reason why ukuthi sinanga iminyaka ngicina ngikhohlwa, because and nayisona umntwana wami now uyintombazana. You can date, maybe you date someone lonemali na someone onganamali. So uyamade lo nganamali ukuthi usikhathi ukhala naso, lo nemali ukhala ngana sikhathi. You understand? Uyathi mawudzinga i-one on one talk uthola ku, you understand, lo nganamali. Lo nemali uyothinga mawufuna imali kuyo, you understand? So umntwana wami, so umlomuntu loyo uthi baba uyamali ukuthi akanamali, you understand? So umlomuntu uthi ngima ngeke ngifonela ngithe uthi baba ngifuna ukubona, because uyokuthi uthi ngathi mina ngiyethe ukubona uthi ungiphatheleni, you understand? So it's a give mangithi ngibona funa ngimnike something umbone, you understand? So it's one of the things that ngilimataba, and angiconnecting ginger just like that. You understand? And yes, umuntu uthi oh mina imuntu, no, I don't have it. I'm not dating.
He's single.
2 months back, if I'm not mistaken, it was 2 months back. I was seeing someone, but we never did anything. And I don't know what happened, because we were on block. But we were on block. You understand? And wathula. Mangimfonela yathi mo block it. Yabona into le. Angabuyi kimi for a month and a half, if I'm not mistaken. Ngathi control ngalona, because the standard routine uthi makabuye emsebenzini, hi njani saxoxa ma emsebenzini njalo njalo, you understand? And into now I was feeling a man, like a man. So from that day, oh okay, it's fine, I understand, yabo. And una something yami ngimboleke yona, you understand? Where telling ngana mntu ngivakashela, but we never did anything. And yathi mhlawumbe wafika mayintombazana manje zethu ngihlala namba nawo. Yeah, and she took it like, oh yeah mama. So mina bengisathi funa ngiletinto leto, you understand? But I'm so lucky because yesterday she called me, but azange explain ukuthi why, and then nama ngithi ngeSpanish na angamkolodi ukuthi uthi kimi kusasa ngizokulethela tinto takho, just like that. What drop into the shop. Azange ngibuthi isikhathi, azange ngibuthi anything. So I'm not dating, really. I'm not dating. No, I'm not doing markets. I'm not ready for dating for now. Like I'm not ready. Like I'm nyakoisha to tinto tingi. Tinto the spirituality, tinto the ngolo, you understand?
So dating is the list of your worries.
Yeah, it's the list of my worries. Yeah. Dinto funa ngwarishe ngathi umntwana nami, you understand? The bond funa si create. Nami funa ngibe ne bond nami kakhulu, you understand? So I need to set up my boundaries ngami cala before ngifayitha lo muntu lo. Yeah. I can't believe I should have had a time to date. That was a penny, but we don't know. We don't know.
I ain't was a penny share. My man loves you.
Ah, when you don't love him.
Yeah, I'm tired. That's why you're saying
oh, okay. But don't say what's a get paid. Something feels what's a pay.
Is she gonna really at the shame? So,
the other time I asked you about your son and you never answered me properly. I'm telling you, we are son.
Yeah, you're so doing.
Son level.
Are
you for real, but why do you have like Lapana Mabona? Because I'm going to put family here, but I'm going to fight Tambat.
That's the other side that I will never post.
Why?
Hi.
So, but ufuna posta result negative kakhulu lelikwendela imali leli positive ngeke mhlambe likwendela imali for now, maybe ngakwendela imali for future, but awufuna ukupost.
And lapho manje shembe sesonweni bangijaja njani bathi ngifuna.
So uthini bakubhabhatisile? So tamba ukugcoka nje mangabhabhatisana.
Ngibhabhatisi baptize someone before ngifika eZion.
Badi babaptize esondweni nakhona eSezayoni. Labo. Christian church.
Yes.
But it's not the same, it's
Ah,
not the
it
same
is.
baptizing. Come on. Yadi angeke ukuthi nyabekisa before the husband since husband the guy you once had a man and that man was global. And ube nelomunye nyana akushade angakulobuli it's good different but kuyithuna nimshado kunjanjani ngasena so wena bakubaptizile eRoma ngiyabikisa but wena uhamba ezayona akuhambisana
sitobona khona
yabo that's why into ngiyihambe kahle ngiyita khona because ngale kunenkolo yakhona ngale kunenkolo yakhona
mina ngiyalo noma kuliphi isonto nanoma ngiyalungaya kuye baprofeti Ntoya kuphi mina shame long ezingisesontweni futhi esontweni angiyeli lokho ngiyela net worship kuphela wathi yaphela seke right ngokunikise
but tambathu ngane phela tambathu ngokwathu na nema terms and conditions akhe because dona tambathu ngane kufuna nihambe niye good baptizer uqokile
yeah bona basiniketile marules bathi mawathi ukuthi uya esontweni Sunday awulali nemfana Saturday if wathi uze uyobhuka ijoyini by Sunday so yabo kunemarules akhona basiniketile marules fana no isidlo senkosi
isidlo senkosi elona ezinyoni yo umkwat lo
Good Friday
like njengama Roma lobe that's basimzimba kaJesu and whatsoever
neligazi lakhe
ezinyoni khona
yeah
anginothisi ukuthi mina mina ngihamba leziwe
so kunemarules akhona lapha lawo ngilamarules level ngingwa-respecta ukuthi vele ngiye Sunday Saturday vele ngendi imhlolo
so but we are to discuss ukwadela umuntu ngokugcoka uniforms
yeah ngigcokile
ayigcoka ukwadela umuntu
angimi futhi nebusolo ngiboba njengoba nabo lisonto ngoba kugcwele bogogo
sengikhumela basendlini ukuthi uphume endlini sokubhadile yeah understand uhambe la mgwaqeni uhlangane nabantu uthi wena TikTok uya esontweni bla 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 so sebakwatisile already mara so uyachubeza anofuna uminvite esontweni lapha
kumnandi esontweni shem
but nami ngisatifuna esontweni kwanyalo ngisagrade yeah ngisagrade imali ubutela umenyalo ngimi ubutile mina ukuthi wena usibone other time about church nana ngimbe yes yes yendeni ngosi yakho which one is this one you don't even know what you want to ask me about. What do you know? What do you know?
Okay. Okay, yeah. Khona indlela yokuthi ukuthi ngiphi advice lo nganiketa bona abantu abashadile. Ube umuntu losafuna koshada.
Eish. Yabona batosi angashadanga so why ngibuthi indlela ngiphendulele abantu abashadile yabo isibona be something else.
Mara it's a common thing because nami ungangibuta yona mina ngitokuphendula.
Okay, let me try ne. Awukashadi. Mina le ngitshela ngisicala ukuthi ufunda wena uthatha kunjani because sine self starting samba ne flow. You understand? Thola umuntu lohambisana naye ngendlela lohamba naye. Yabona mina bathina ngilapha enzabuko ngisho njalo yabo. Ngipractice kakhulu into tani African spirituality, you understand? So I need to find a person like me who practice the very same thing he practice ukuthi mangithi mina nginindelo so angathi singini manje lokho, you understand? I don't believe in that. You understand? So angeke si-understandane vele if singahambisani ngendlela le you know angeke ngithole umuntu lo Christian mina ngipractice African spirituality so clash noma ngabe sithandzana njani because mangithi mina ngiyahamba la bangikhulise khona la bangithwasise khona ngokungi-advise ngokungibonisa ngetinto kunemsebenzi wemadlozi ngithi asambe soyi-2 futhi mina ngikuhambi lokho nami ngiyothi makathi naye asambe elona kune-night virgin noma ngihambe lento le so sihlaliswe yini mina naye you understand so find a person lo aligna naye you understand find a person lo aligna naye and the other thing akusingithi sonke lefuna shade lefuna stay ngifuna steke ngifuna steke because buka bheke from ekhayini you understand buka ekhayini ukuthi bayingadi libe bashadile bayingadi libe bangashadanga sedibuke wena kuthi esikhathini esiningi mabakhuluma ngawo ukuthi eish ya lona ufana nasi because kukhona lokho if uhlala nabantu abadzala nana even nabantu basemgwaqweni yabo behavior yakho says ayi ufana nazibani bani washona ekhaya kubo yabo uhamba ukuthi emayo kumbe bani mawune enhlanje babasakhona you understand ubani zibani bani nana ibehavior nje yake benjani bekashadile nana this when to align kahle nale reason yakuthi oh mina kuze ngingatholi solomendo kumbe ngingateki lo muntu yena ungabile lento you understand izinto letilula le you understand two osemshadweni it's a two-way thing ngikuthatha ngakufaka ekhaya but mina ngeke ngisolo ngibonisana na mama ngemshado wami ukhona wena bengilethelani lapha endlini bengikumele usoshadile izinkumele abashadile ngani ngithi advise nalabashadile mase ushadile mase ngikushadile so nguwe makwami nguwe makwakami nguwe mngani wami nguwe everything yami you understand nguwe umuntu ofuna ukubonisana naye konke baby le tie yanfanele ngicwe kahle namhla nginendo leso everything need to report everything as you report to kwamadlodi as you report kuNkulunkulu nethu kumfati wakho kube uNkulunkulu wakho kube idlodi lakho lelo because uyathandazela uyakuthandazela uyakufastela but you don't know about that because you're ignorant you understand the way nekhathi umthatha buka namakwakho uthi njani kusima so shapeless now what is umfati wamaseka mithi maseka I'm telling you ukuthi uyoba so in future but wena somdalisile two bantwana sombona ngathi unjani njani
so yamshiya
bomtekela in from first those kahle bomvalela mathuba you understand so umfati wakho kube ngonge kwakho even noma umfati wakho se kuyofika lo myeli billionaire empilweni yakho wena usentenier athi yabona indodza yami inike yonke respect ekhona ngiyibona le mali le muntu fuck off you understand udliwe nembeza wena but ungathi fuck off asihlanya lo you understand
and vele bakhona lokho check yabo ukuthi fuck off
yathi umuntu unalenye athi mina is better ukuthi ngigowusha kuLambogini than ngigowusha emkhukhwini you understand so ungcono ugowusha lapha emkhukhwini indodza yakhe nawe ngigowusha nayi2 then uzogowusha indodza yakho isemgrooveni so lena mafakeni
it's still the same thing
no that's why
because nanoma umuntu maybe ngiyalwebo siyahlupheka vele mina na baby and then ngabe baby ngathi so utibona ngathi yena soyapopanyana yena vele mina angisabonakala ngathi ukuthi ngivese ngibonakala ngathi kumbe ngathi ukuthi ngiyini ngili alien yabo ku wrong lapho
yeah that's why ngithi thola umuntu lweni aligna naye wena lefanayo you understand pray dog pray ungathandazeli imali kuphela pray for umuntu lo yimfisa ngakho ungathi mina ngifisa ukuthola indodza nenemali so lo kunya ukufaka mase uyitholile indodza nenemali so uthi hayi manje umuntu umuntu abuse azange ukuthandazele konke lokho azange ukufastela wathi ufuna imali wena nayi le mali nale Porsche lekhona mara uhlala ukhala everything you understand
vele lo yathi shamuntu umthandazela shemkusangilobole uba ngishade
ne
yeah umuntu right
ne what right
mina ngi right mina kuyi
okay no siyabona
lokwendeke tuke past kwendeke tuke
no past is past past is fundisa future no very past se refera kuya understand yeah is a referral past is a referral so if someone to see yeah tuke past no past is past understand yeah but into lengifuna kuyisho and lengifuna siyikhuluma ngifuna kuva wena sikhulume ngayo last week nemfowethu we shoot episode last week about my training stories and Sima you know Sima
Goslubi
yeah lo bethe Goslubi Sima lawyer she talk about break virginity yakhe on a platform ukuthi she was 16 uyadifila somehow that day wabharatiwe group chat kusi anyone to volunteer kumbreak and but on a whole podcast is that is gonna last years and years. Why you couldn't enjoy? You understand? So the past year loyalty is fine. We are now we are doing ourselves. But ungamuyi so kulmetindo lose to attack at future. Understand? Ku future nya. The past is fine. Mhlambe lokunye unganjonja njonja ukuthi ayish ya nami ngijona na 2 3 abantu lesikhathi bagcine nani bangishala abanye ngafunza ukuthi you understand I need to be loyal blah 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 blah. But ungathi so khona ukuthi hey bangishaya 3 some then come on. You understand? It's one of khuluma lento leyo uzivela wena ufisa ukutekwa ulapho for life. Ukuthi wena uhamba lo but ungakhuluma ukuthi ufisa ukutekwa ukhulume into ngepast yakho kungqola kwayo. Lebakwatile bakwati. Sima ukhulume lento leyo. What's your take on that? Ukuthi why you share mina angangikubude ngalento leyo. Because sengikhulile macho engcondweni ukuthi I'm mature.
Bose baba sengakakhulu.
Yes. So but if you are a brand you need to be careful of the things that you say about yourself. You understand? That's the reason you say you feel njani kumntwana wakho ukuthi you khuluma some of the things that to be accessed imthekele kusasa ukuthi hayi mako wakho yakhuluma on TikTok kakali kakhuluma yes manje you understand? Because you buy brand one day you buy brand something one day we don't know but ay nayilo you understand? So what you take when as a girl ukhulume njoba ngikutshela ukuthi simo ukhuluma ukuthi yena bambreaka wahamba waze wagibela 2 taxi wayesowetho bombreaka abadate umuntu bombreaka bamudlisa nesingwa like what's your take on that? Like what makes you women committing that sort of sometimes?
I start yet mara mina like mangikhulumela sathi la mara there are things ukuthi ngingakhuluma
yes
nezinto lengize ukukhuluma like ukuthi ngikutshele izinto leti general ukuthi maybe ngosana ngile ngathola nemuntu so lo nemali nana mara wathi ukuthi ngize ngikutshele ukuthi le besiyendanga
yes uyangibona yes ngani bantu lokufuna bantu abakufollow ishawu mhlambe youth ungasho ukuthi no you must be careful of people labanemali because many of them are abusive mina
bantu lokho ngaba advisor lokho malo ungadibani
ngoshini ngimathisa akho nako konke
unalokunye le wa trend I think 4 years or 5 years back was trend ahamba yila eDubai.
Okay.
Wathola le place actually le place aleli bebakhuluma ama-Arab nobuthi yilokho basojobek and then guy ngathi bakhulu bahlala bakhuluma kuThinda yabo then from Thinda baya kwaThe bakhuluma guy wamsendela imali ye-flight wambhukhela ehotel ngathi kule hotel eDubai uthi mabafika le lo guy wafika uthi wafike ngisho ukuthi ngathi sebayayenda phela lo guy wathena ngivula umlomo wafika umkakela bamlungini imagine those are the type of things that I will never.
Lento leyo ya-trend esikhathi esiyise about that thing. What's the ritual? Athi ritual yabo ngale because bathi ibulala le inner soul yakho kahle kahle yabo ukuthi lo muntu like imnika power yena lento leyo yendawo say wena ibulala lento yakho kahle it's like a sacrifice nyana likhona because ngeminyaka sinema sacrifice thizeni abakhona la trend. So it's like selling your soul because you do that person says I will give you such and such money. So it's saying already when your soul you understand? And many of us say it's our soul, but you need to devil blah blah blah. But if you notice that there are many things. Sign your contract. It's like we are debinder. You're selling something like debinder when a scat says mean debinder na. That's the reason maba M17 also meaning to connect fair scat so na scat so. Scat so. You understand? Mas sababu ya contract ya udebindile we. You understand? So there are many things in a debinder. That's why man shada is true thick and thin. Udebinda ngemlomo wakho we. But masegna sende globe. Mas sababu ya bobutu si awona wavuma musiphambi komfundisi wathi true thick and thin what usenyalo yini lo kwendaba. So it's one of the things ekufuna sibe careful masijabulile nalesikwatile masikhuluma sithi because masijabulile siyakhuluma noma njani masikwatile siyakhuluma noma njani you understand but the thing like to affect for future you understand.
Hey that's a lot man.
That's a lot ngiyiminyaka hayi ngikuthanda ndzaba yasini
Answer my questions.
I'm running out of questions. So let's talk about life general. Siyakuma govern elections kukhulumile na other time sikhulumile ngabo futhi and into efuna solo sikhulume ngathi lokungapheli ngifuna sikhulume about education nje lapho nalapho because labanye abantu bethu abasafuni esikoleni and angeke ngibasola education yethu ay fucked up.
Why?
Le tinto letifundzako esikoleni awuteni practically esikhathini esiningi. Yabo, because many people that they want to be business people, bafuna kuba influencer and many influencers that are out there bancane laba esikoleni. You understand? Many politicians that are out there bancane laba esikoleni ukuthi vele banayo imfundo ngaleyo ndlela leyo bayibala ngakhona the key of success. You understand? Because mina nyalo ngenda iclip leyi one trend for umhlaba wonke. You understand? So it's while ngiesikoleni I once called this guy and the clip leyi one and ngifisa kumbita wamchomela wazi bongitshela ukuthi yena ufuna imali lo mfana bangakakhe. You understand?
How?
Yeah, wathi ufuna imali ever since waqala trend ngale video leyo.
Bangakakhe.
You understand? So there are many things that ngakwenza utrend ngelisecond sokubona ngathi wena so celebrity thizini. You understand? So ngifuna sishele abantu abaningi iyouth yanamuhla nawe uTikTok uyaqala khola lapho la umapenyana noma ngasi ngaleyo ndlela because people they think vele you're going to be trending for life. It's very impossible. That's the reason bantu bogcina bathatha ama sacrifices. You understand? Labangathi kusibeka ama sacrifice because bafuna kuba always relevant, bakhale ba on top of the charts and everything. Manje ukuthi bathi makhi akasa trend vele trend ngakhona uwile and everything. You understand? So kunebantu nyalo beku role model bekumaki everything. Aside ukuthi yini
mara kakawumaki just that ngathi accounts yakhe bayiban or something like that. So
sekufuna bounce back
sekosa bounce back mara kusho ukuthi uwile.
Mara ngani bathi even nema followers akhe nasekude I don't know ngive njalo okay
I don't think mina angibalanzeleli like bomaki maki it's not the content creator lengazi ngilanzelele
yamo sinabe kasena msanga ukuthi bafuna ukudlala ngebasemente
vele nami ngaze vele ngizithi no
but ngifuna ukutshela abantu abaningi ukuthi angeke uhlale ule eTulu for life
Kosa somewhere somehow
noma ungakawanga so lapha ke stage sakho but kunala someone ohlale above wena. That's one thing you need to know. Nemuntu ohlale above wena nomuntu ohlala above wena nomuntu ohlala above wena nawe utholela abanye wabandlula ngale ndlela understand. So sine sihlushwa ngiloko ukuthi eshayi le ngesindikazi ngine njani mara nyama asekufuna you can't and most when
ugcina sohlanye
masofuna kwenela thina futhi and yabona that's why it's imali wena itinto letinye leti out of line. Yeah, yona itinto letinye we out of line so hey tense. We're waiting for you the other time ukuthi uthotwe nama vlog simile sikathulanga even ma vlog
ngiyawathola that's why ngithi ngisamile nyalo guys
uthi baby uthi ungasedlulisana
imsangano wami
uthi baby usingasedlulisana
mara ungithola khona TikTok phela mina nayisithola TikTok
video yakho wena
I met him on TikTok
video yakho wena
ngifake ku privacy
that video
yeah
leyo wena ukuthi iyende yena ukuthi abe ngithi yiphi le video leyenda wena ukuthi yena ngithola ku TikTok u-attract yini
I don't know cause wa commenta kulenye video yami nje
akusekhumbula
bengakhuluma lapho yeah so and then wa commenta lapha yana yabo maka commenta ukuthi like ngicela ukuthi uvule i-DM yami yabo I was like okay cool yeah saqala lapho
bumati
bengamati like literally bengamati
ne so yini attract ngayo uzovuma phela kuvula i-DM yakho phela uqala ungena into mhlambe ikolona ngoba uqala yabo
neshame nakapost njani TikTok
so what makes you attracted that day ukuthi azathi uvula i-DM yami uvule now
angathi maybe ukuthi nami vele bengisingile by that time
you were looking kahle you were hunting
I was not hunting I was like mina inkinga yakhe ukuthi ngabana the mindset le ukuthi I'm just gonna have fun. I wanna
bani bahlali bafuna kube nifani yathi
and then
lethi yotela abanye bami
yes, and then we like ngatitshela lokho mina ukuthi like I'm just gonna be there to have fun. And not knowing ukuthi Shaya Miyati, he's such a gentleman.
Yeah. So from that day you fell in love with that guy the first day or
ngithatha isikhathi because sahlangana in November last year.
Till today.
Till today.
Let's talk about the first day mbonana face to face.
Ngaba ngasta okay cool. Namvele ukuthi vele namvele like bengathi yabo by that time. Yeah, ngatshela ngathi aish.
Let me give him a chance.
Yeah, let me give him a chance. Kanti vele shekuthi bangile gentleman ngifuna ngenzeni.
Yini gentleman
like he's so sweet, so sweet.
Wants to be sweet. Let's almost sweet every day.
Like ngifana nokuthobile, yabo. Yabo indoda lephapha ngiyifuni.
Awufuni indoda lefana nawe.
Uphaphu wena.
Ngifana nawe.
Yeah, lefana nami.
Oh.
Yeah. So yena vele shemunjalo yathi uthobile phasi. Noma ungamfonela maybe sofuna kumlwisa utovela kuthulele la ifoni.
Ne. But aren't you thinking those people are too dangerous sometimes?
I don't know.
Because I want a person who confronts her every time, even if it's not another thing. I want that person. Very like if you can go to my mom or you can go to the person I once dated before, I will tell you, I'm cool. It's better with this pool is than what's be quiet. Because man quiet, saying good. Because then doing is a part of the situation, you understand? Because we have to go to because I'm not saying all guys they need to talk, but the guys very much my father you understand? Yeah. But we need to with this conference, conference story must say you understand? So it's one of the things that to a relationship, to a friendship, whatsoever it is. Which is cool because even tool. What we want to see Masang Tulile, Nasa Pendul, what was writer off. And I mean good and block and I'm blind.
But it's a boy blocking him.
But now we're not dating.
Oh, maybe like
even they will tell you. I don't have a friend now. I don't have a friend. No, I don't have. No, someone always tell me, see, a dog. We mustn't bend bridges. Sometimes you need to bend bridges. I always say that. Yeah, there are bridges that they need to be bent sometimes. You understand? Again, about parts of Monday, man is waiting well. You see the bridge, but you see go well and do. You understand? Because some other people they take advantage of another people. That's the problem about me. It has advantage. Which when Mama when and singer when and so it has advantage now. I want that advantage. Mama phone tell me I don't want and I'm very sorry. Okay. But that's why it's I'll be suspicious. Kai, no man conference. I got from the pass school.
Hey, no, cool. But I'm not. Paramina asbuna like everything. Like I'm sure it's not in. Man, this is not
no, every day. Something that I like in terms of every day. You're going to find out saying something in you want. You like to see it every now and then, and if you say nothing, I in you every now and then. I'm not supposed to go new one, but in your summer, so a little cooking and turn and bang a little cooking. You want to must nice bone. Because that was anything is possible. You mean what I mean the cutting game. No matter what every day, I'm telling you. You understand? Yes. I can make an example. I'm not to see. I don't know about today. You understand? About the girl name Chilangai. But if no man can bang to convince about something, I am surprised to trust you. Understand? But I don't think it's enough as well as this way is not understand? Because from it all, if nothing I begin, I would say. If not, no, shame me Lisa. But I don't think it's explain it why you told her block. Understand? Even understand? Because I'm always in explanation. But if you're not in class, it's much more than ngicela ukuchazela ngamtshela ukuthi I know angizini explanation yakho you understand me so netinto mase ngicala masucala kuthatha umuntu umfake empilweni yakho funa udikhathe compromise and everything efana nale oh do not compromise to sivesele you understand and us as guys ngisilesithando lesisho lithando kakhulu bafati ba receive basinika back most of the time because igama labo live baby kama nto manje discuss nesithini stage sami lesiyamntwana ngasena mama sekhaya ay siyayivala sengikhuluma ngedwana yabo that's why khuluma wedwana sinesikhathi nawo umuntu ngikhuluma ngedwana uyahleka la
mina ngihleka wena
so kungiloko wena so nyalo siku le Queen's Level sikhulume ne-management yabo sizozi bathini ngale proposal isichamka nayo ukuthi bathi usinedza ngoba sinedza yabo so we tried and
mara nabangakakaki ngikhulumisa
and something
Uthi
ngikhulumisile even last month maybe 4 weeks back ngikhulumisile futhi
ngizomkhulumisa mina
no mina angithandi le special treatment lo uthi mangisi ngiyakubuka awusideserve no I'm telling you
mara naye ngathi sotiphakamise kakhulu
yabona that's why yabona i-TikTok ihlala isiyenga esikhathini esiningi because lama followers nalama following nalama likes lapha usina 1 million likes awuna 1 million rand guy my brother or my sister you understand so ngiyokuthola hlele khawashi uwabili ufana nami but ngisibuya sitokuxoxa let's have a chat asikhulume ngawo per se we can talk about many things asikhulume that's why igama leli podcast you understand but if you feel usona lapha on top
mara bro mina kufana nebantu noma bangathi like TikTok mabangibone complex ngiyababingelela back shame ngibatshela ukuthi shame ish
usengafika lapha even if noma ungafika
even if nami ngingafika akudingi ukuthi ngize ngibe rude duke
abantu basifikisa aba TikTok sendele mona you understand you can be big in TikTok not in YouTube you understand you can be big in Instagram not in YouTube you understand so umuntu uvela sesivele sesithule sesijwayele but ngoba buhlungu ukuthi mase kakufuna next time ngomkhumbulo nawe njengoba ngikhumbulile ukuthi uzobalekela lamalanga yabo so cala
and wona yoba so big
no I won't be big mina bantu ababig labantu abangisubscribe labangifollowishayo labasubscriber you understand mina I won't be big mina will always be like this I know myself ngile ngababig ngitshela ukuthi ngibig kanti ngase big yabo sengabuya kahle grounding kahle phasi so ibokhuluma nami ukhuluma nomuntu lo show ukuthi njengoba lo ngihamba nabosibani babunyala you understand I know
vele shame ufuna number yakhe
hayi ngiseyivala kodwa kulahla wena